I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am beyond excited to talk about Plum, India's 100% vegan beauty brand. They have taken the beauty world by storm by their incredible hair care, skin care, makeup products and body care products. Plus, guess what? Plum is celebrating their 9th birthday and I am so excited to share all the goodness they offer, as their sale starts from 30th June to 6th July. Now get ready to celebrate because Plum is on cloud 9 with the massive sale happening right now. Head over to Plum's 9th birthday bash on plumgoodness.com to shop all your essential beauty products with discount of up to 50%. Trust me, this is one birthday party you don't want to miss. I couldn't be more thrilled to unveil the exclusive PR hamper that I have received from Plum. Now get ready for a thrilling showcase of all these incredible products that I can't wait to share with you guys. Now we'll dive into exploring each item, their texture, their ingredient, their advantages and of course my mini review. So first I have received Plum There You Glow highlighter and I'm in the shade Miracle Bronze. It provides a radiant shimmery finish that accentuates your features and natural beauty. Not only this, it is lightweight and buildable. It gives you easy pick, effortless blending and can be layered for a bold look. Now moving on to the next, Plum BodyLovin Body Mist with flavor Smokin Vanilla. It's not plain vanilla. It has sweet fragrance with a smoky twist. It's essential warm perfume body spray that lasts more than 3 hours. Vanilla fragrance is paired with warm base of amber and musk. And yes, it has cute purse-friendly packaging. You can take it everywhere you go. Now next I have received Plum Mandarin and Vitamin C 15% Serum Glow Boost Serum. It is paraben free. It gives you smooth, radiant, plumped up skin. It removes dark spots, sun damage and dull skin. This serum packs in potent 15% ethyl absorbic acid, stable vitamin C, boosted by natural antioxidants from Japanese Mandarin and Kakadu plum. And guess what? Here's an exciting secret. Plum is spreading the love by giving away at least 9 plums with every order above 2000 rupees. Now, isn't that simply amazing? Let's get started on this exciting beauty journey together. From skincare to hair care, body care to makeup, Plum is spreading the love by giving away 9 plums on order above 2000 rupees. And they are bringing the heat with their amazing deal. So don't wait a second and make your way to Plum 9th birthday bash to stock up on your favorite essential. Your beauty routine will thank you. But wait, there's more. You can use my code HBDPLUM to get an extra 10% off. And yes, sale starts from 30th June to 6th July, so don't miss it. Check description box for link of all the product and you can use my coupon code for additional discount. So what are you waiting for? Let's party with Plum and score those fantastic deals. And yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. And yes, you can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Pamper You by Ankita. And yes, happy shopping!
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone.